Hello friend, welcome back to YouTube channel Open Secret and I am Kesav Jha. Today in this video, I will discuss regarding the special feature of calculator and that is not other than markup feature. Most of the users know about this feature but a few of the user don't know and they follow alternative route to calculate the selling price. Suppose if any shopkeeper wants to earn profit of 10% on selling price, but still they are trying to calculate the selling price of any product. So what will they do? Either they will calculate by suppose let the value of sales be x and then calculate the value of x. Another alternative way is finding the value of sale by assuming that if shopkeeper want to earn profit of 10% on sale, then cost must be 90%. So if cost is 90%, then what will be the value of 100%? But one of the simplest way to calculate the selling price by using the markup function in this calculator is available. So let's continue the video and I'll show you with example. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and share if you like this video. Thank you. In the previous video, we discussed about the memory function of this calculator, that is m plus, m minus and mrc. So if you missed to watch that video, kindly go to the watch list calculator trick and watch the video. After that, today in this video we are going to discuss about mu function. This is called as markup function, and when anyone wants to earn profit of 10% on selling price where he has incurred the cost of 200, then we can easily calculate using these features. Like if cost is 200 and we need 10% profit on sale, then we will press mu. Here you can see mu appears on the screen here, and we will press 10 percentage. This is the selling price 222.22. So this function will simplify your computation and will help you compute the value of sale price within a second. So let's see this function with the help of example. Example 1. Suppose cost of a product A is equal to rupees 1050 and seller wants to earn profit equal to 15% on selling price. So method 1 can be used for computation is let the value of sale is equal to rupee x. So selling price is equal to cost plus profit. Here cost is equal to 1050 rupees plus profit is 50% of 1050. So this will be 1050 plus 0.15x. Sorry, here I did mistake. This is of x because it is a profit on selling price. So 0.15x or x minus 0.15x is equal to 1050. Therefore x is equal to 1 minus 0.15 0.85 divided by 1050 equal to 1235.29 rupee 1235.29. This is first method. Method 2, we can calculate like if 15% profit is to be earned on selling price. So if cost is equal to 1050 rupees, that is 85%. So 1050 divided by 85 into 100 is equal to selling price. Therefore selling price is equal to 1050 divided by 85 into 100, 1235.29. 1235.29 answer. And one of the simplest, quickest and easiest method, that is using calculator markup function, is, I am noting down this, method 3, using markup function. First of all, we need to on the calculator, then cost, that is 1050 rupees, after that markup 15%. Look, on 1050 markup 15%, and answer is on the screen within second, 1235.29. So friends, how was the use of markup function? Please write on the comment sections, and if you like this video, please share, subscribe and spread as much as possible. Thank you.